Good morning! I am Tatay Arben. This is our son and this is Daddy Aikel. Say hi guys!
Hello there.
So, ayan. We were going to Bay Park. Mag-jogging kami. Tinuturuan namin yung anak namin na kailangan may exercise every morning. Kahit bakasyon. Pag may pasok ka, pwede namang wala or 3 times a day or Saturday, Sunday. Pero si tatay, kaming queer parents, talagang gagawin na naming everyday exercise. We need to become strong, not only for ourselves, but for our son. Yon. Kaya, ngayong morning ay pupunta kami sa Bay Park. Isa sa magandang tourist spot dito sa aming bayan ng Atimonan. So, see you guys later. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa Atimonan Bay Park with my rainbow family. Say hi! So this is another part of our care parenting. Day 5 ng aming jogging kasi tinuturuan namin siya na pangalagaan ng sarili, ang health, and of course wellness.
Into sports.
Oo, mahilig kasi siya sa sports and dance din katulad ni tatay. Ito guys, oh. Yan, Bay Park. Look at that. So nakakatuwa dito kasi maraming nag-exercise every morning. So this is our morning. This is our kind of banding na din. Kahit bakasyon, mas marami kaming time mag-banding kasi bakasyon na. Yan, at may nagsusumba pa dyan sa part na yan. There guys. O diba? Saka-saka tayo magsusumba. So ayan, mag-start muna kami ng walking. We need to have 3,000 to 4,000 steps. Morning po. So bye guys, balikan ko kayo later after ng aming exercise. Bye!
Toodles.
1,300.
Dance ulit.
Hindi naman yung lang sa inay hamon.
Pawisan na ang baby ko. Very good. It's healthy. Go. Good morning, sir. And there's Daddy. And we're done. Tapos na kami mag-walking / jogging ng Rainbow Fam, guys. So, pauwi na kami. Pinagpawisan na kami ng malala with our son and Daddy Ikes.
Hello there.
And I'm your Tatay Arbs. Daddy Ikes, Tatay Arbs, and our son, Bobs. So, another kind of our queer parenting is to teach queer parenting is to teach our child na pangalagaan ng kanyang health. Because health is wealth. Kaya, yon. And also, it is a kind of bonding na rin. So, bye mga ka-Rainbow Fam!